Okay guys, here we have a Vaillant Ecotec Plus 831 boiler. I'll show you guys quickly how we install a Nest third generation heat link thermostat in here. So to take off the front face of the boiler to get to the PCB, you've got a little screw like this. Little one, where it is right here. It kind of connects to just here in the housing. You just unscrew that. And then what you've got to do is you can literally just lift off the entire front face of the boiler. So I'll just show you guys how to do that just now. Here, you just get the tabs right here at the sides, just pull them so slightly. All here around the side, a little bit around the top as well. Just get a flat tip screwdriver and pry these off. That'll give us access to the PCB. Let's just do that now quickly. So what we have here is we have the live and the neutral, which will be connected to the heat link on the live and neutral terminal. So the brown is the live, blue is the neutral. That will go to the live and neutral on the heat link, the earth to earth from the boiler to the heat link. You've got 3 and 4. These are the signals for the thermostat. These will connect from 3 to 2 and 4 to 3 respectively on the, and that should get it all working. The neutral and the live, it's got the 3 and the 4 connection there. Sorry, the 2 and 3 connection in there, the 2 and 3 connection in there, and the earth. So 2 and 3. Okay guys, as you can see, all wired up now. So you've got the 2 lives that are going in there is the input power from the mains to the boiler to power the boiler, and that's a live that is going to the Nest Mini to supply the Nest Mini. You've got 2 neutrals, again same thing, 1 neutral coming from the mains to power the boiler, 1 neutral going to the Nest Mini to give the Nest Mini power. You've got the earth, which is earthing to the Nest Mini, and that's earth from the power to the boiler. That grey wire in number 3 is connecting to the Nest Mini and is connecting to channel 2 on the Nest Mini. Oh, sorry, channel 2 on the Nest Mini. Number 4, the black wire is connecting to number 3 on the Nest Mini. Okay guys, so we've just switched the boiler back on. As we can see, it's all lit up here, all wired in. Boiler is switched on, it's just heating up again. I've just reset the timer. I did that off camera. I've just reset the timer. If we go over to... Okay guys, here we have it, all working and done.